Good girl. Show. Good girl.
Let's go. What's up? Is this where the lens be in it? Alright, for sure. What's up? I just got a new phone. Well, actually, my wife got me the new phone, so thank you very much to my wife. Spent the last week basically going through the cameras and stuff, but now I'm ready to bring it into the studio and show y'all what I be doing. Basically, I just got a new camera, so we gonna do some new types of videos. I ain't never really done these kind of videos, so we gonna see what happens. Studio space looking kind of whack right now, so we got mise en place the situation. But first, I gotta start the day with some exercises, some daily exercises. For sure, we got that out the way. Just had to do my daily exercises. I bring this up into the computer, maybe do some audio adjustments. Maybe the instruments won't sound so crappy. And you know what I had to do for all my drummer homies? I'm not really a drummer, but rhythm's very important to me. You gotta do the polyrhythm, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do one hand doing 4, you gotta do one hand doing 3, one hand doing 3, and the other hand doing 2. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Try it out real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do it. We also got 2s and 3s, you know what I'm saying? I think that's what it is. Gotta break them in. Let's go. They closed this road down. Got a little grind. Gotta get a little grind, you know what I'm saying? Gotta hit it. How's it going? I already broke a sweat. That's what it is. Skateboard. Had to break in the dunk. Try to do a little carving. Get a little planter grind. Can't really be doing no ollies right now. My ankle hella swing. Last time I was doing some ollies, my ankle started having things popping out. So I was like, that's not very good. Also, I painted this one with my baby child a couple of years ago. Did some stencil work on it. Went with the orange 90A. Powell mini logo, 53 millimeters, so little soft wheel, hard enough to translate the ground, but soft enough to go over cracks and everything. So this is what I'll be using to teach my baby child how to do some skating. She gonna get there. Gotta raise some little shredders, you know what I'm saying? Shred it. I think much of life is about just showing up. Oh. That's what we're doing right now. We just gotta show up. Alright, the last video was artwork, printing, and trimming. It was really just a graphic design story time through some wedding decorations. I actually got one more job right now. It's gonna be an animation job. So that's gonna be pretty interesting to document. What I did today, I did some research on best practices for releasing my own digital products. That's what I'm about to do on the website. That's what I be doing with my artwork. So we gonna document some of that process as well. It's gonna be very interesting. Next video gonna be artwork specifically. So we want artwork, printing, and trimming. The next one gonna be artwork specifically, and what we gonna be talking about is the observable principles of design. I got some personal takes on this. It goes from static, motion, and sound, so including music. We got static, so it's gonna be graphic, illustrative, and typographic based, printing based. And then we go have motion, which is gonna be video and animation. And then we go have sound and music production. Kind of got those 3 levels as lenses for the principles of design that I wanna go through with you actually. Right now, I still gotta be building up some more digital products from a catalog, which goes to say, going back to the artwork, printing, and trimming. Got some try and make some beats. Maybe make a little beat store for all you video people and all you music producers out there. Some sample packs. Hit it. My take on doing the visuals and then also doing animation and also doing music. Principal design really just be going through the elements of what creates an aesthetic choice. Aesthetic decision making. Really the concept that covers all the principles will be balance. Balancing concepts of contrast. Positive and negative. This is how I visualize music. So we got the grid system, we got the piano roll, we got the note by note linear scene across the tempo. We got all of these aspects. Really talking about positive and negative space. Parts of the song go on and off. Principles of design when they when you guide them through static motion and sound will end up being harmony, rhythm, and melody. When you have all of those things together, you have music. Same thing goes with static and motion design. That's just a little heads up. I know I go little weird places, you know. Like, what do you know, weird computer man? That's me, weird computer man. That's what we're gonna talk about in the next video. It's gonna be the observable principles of design. It's gonna be very exciting. I don't know, I just be doing things at this point. This is really just my attempt at becoming a little bit more consistent with the video edit. Give y'all a little bit behind the scenes of what I actually be doing on a regular basis. I'm just trying to capture some of what I be doing, you know, regularly without doing performances and stuff. This is gonna be a real attempt at trying to become a little bit more consistent here on the channel, you know. Let y'all know I ain't going nowhere. We're gonna be back. We're gonna be back with the heavy edit soon. So for now, we got the new phone with the new camera. We finna try a new style of video. I don't even know what this is gonna be like when I edit it. It's gonna be wild. Right now. What's up, y'all? I just realized I didn't even show y'all which phone I got. I was trying to use the phone to record this whole thing, but I didn't have no mirrors up in the studio. So right now we just got this laptop camera. So that's what we're working with. Got the iPhone 13. Let's see if we can line it up in here. For sure. We got the pink one, 128 gig. Didn't get the big amount, but you know who I think I am, right? Look pretty sick though. We got the regular view. And then we got the 0.5 view right here. This is half the view. So we got the tiny lens. That's this one right here. That must be this one. So right now, I actually gotta pick up my baby child from school. So I'm gonna see y'all next time. For sure, Embarklife. All right, we're gonna be the last time right here.